Hello YouTube, and welcome to another unboxing. This time there's no batteries involved. Last weekend was the big parking lot sale. Unfortunately, the two items that I'm unboxing was not on sale, but it was needed. Let's see what I got. This is the Bauer micro cleaning accessory kit, and I also got the Bauer premium auto details accessory kit. So one of the main reasons why I got these two items is I have a old rigid wet dry vac. This thing must be probably 12 years old, if not a little older, and the hose was getting beat up. So I had taped it and put some E4000 glue on it just to keep it intact in a couple of places. I'll take some close-ups later so you can see what I was dealing with. And so I purchased this Bauer kit to replace this hose. Hopefully, and I'm very optimistic that this Bauer hose kit will fit. So let's do an unboxing and see what we get. We're back, and let's now do the unboxing. So let's read what you get. It includes 1 1/4 connector, 1 3/8 adapter, 2 5-inch straight extension wands, a 90-degree bend extension wand, a micro crevice tool, straight crevice tool, round dusting brush, and rectangular dusting brush. And of course, I've shown you close-up pictures of the back of this so you can see for yourself. Here we go. Now for the premium auto detailing accessory kit for wet dry vacuums. So let's see if this thing's gonna fit my rigid vacuum cleaner. One rigid vacuum. Alright, so the main hose. This is the suction part. Oh yeah. Nice tight fit. And it should fit the other side as well. Yes, and it does. So this unboxing and limited review is not about the vacuum cleaner. It's about the replacement hose and the accessories. Not to mention the micro accessory kit. So it fits. So let's go over some of the accessories. And I'm gonna give you the proper name. I'm gonna use this box right here as my cheat notes. So they're calling this the adapter for 1/4 inch accessories to 2.5. So this is 1 1/4, and this side is 2.5. I'm taking that this is called the crevice tool. This is the stiff bristle brush. And this is the soft bristle. And this is the soft bristle brush. How come I'm having trouble saying that? I don't know. It's hard to get back in there without getting this all jacked up. Let's see. Alright, here it is. What else do we have here? Alright. This, I think they're calling the long ultra flexible hose. No, they're not. This is the long, ultra flexible hose. I'm calling this a crevice tool. This is a hose-to-hose adapter. I think if I took the old hose, put that in, new hose, then you can use both hoses and have an extra long hose. I don't think I'll ever be using it, but it's nice to know I have this adapter if I needed it. Last but not least, I have no clue. I guess this is a another 1.25" adapter. Let's see. Yeah, that fits on here. So there you go. That's all the accessories. And I think this is going to work out well because it fits my rigid vacuum cleaner. And these accessory tools, looks like I'll be using most of them for cleaning my autos and RVs. And we're ready to rock and roll. Well, let's try this micro accessory thing. Let's get this out the way. Put this all in a box. So this hose, it's got an 1.25" already. So this is the largest, and this does not fit. Let's try the next one. And this one does fit. You got your wands right there. Put it right there. Extend that. Oh yeah. There you go. And then you can put your attachments on top of that. Once you get that set. Oh, okay. You don't need that. Right there. Little brush. 2 brushes, in fact. One circular and one rectangle. And then here's the 90-degree bend that you could use. Put an attachment on right there. So, oh, there's a crevice tool as well. Let's get that on there. Alright, so the micro accessory kit works. Let me interrupt with this voiceover and explain one of the pros of this hose kit. I discovered I had a couple of tools where this smaller end fit right into it for dust extraction. One was the 7¼ circular saw, and the other tool I had was the 5" orbital sander. Please stay tuned for more reviews and open boxing on Bauer cordless tools. I'm becoming a Bauer fanboy. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Until the next one, take care.